Hi, I'm Dr. Kaplan from Helios Telemedicine for Longevity, an online clinic helping those of any gender lose unhealthy weight and treating hormonal issues in men at www.heliostelemedicine.com. Losing weight is a matter of energy in and energy out. So let's talk about one way to increase energy out: exercise. There are two types of exercise: strength building and aerobic, and three classifications of aerobic exercise. Low intensity won't increase the breathing rate much. Talking in sentences is easy and can be sustained for about an hour. Moderate will increase the respiratory rate, but conversations can be conducted without trouble and it can be sustained for 30 to 60 minutes. High intensity exercise significantly increases your breathing rate. Sentences are limited to single or a couple of words, and the exercise can't be sustained beyond about 30 minutes. Everyone's exercise tolerance and capabilities are unique, so a person's past exercise successes and failures, physical abilities, medical and physical conditions, time constraints, and access to exercise equipment must be considered. Medical clearance and physical therapy evaluations may be considered. The target for weight loss is 30 to 45 minutes of moderate exercise 3 to 5 times a week, along with strength training 2 or more times a week. But if you can't reach this goal at first, don't give up. If a walking program is as much as you can do, then that's a good start. The rest can come as your exercise tolerance increases. The body adapts to weight loss by reducing the energy burn of exercise, so you will need to increase your exercise intensity or duration. The goal for weight maintenance is 300 minutes of moderate or 150 minutes of intense exercise weekly with continued strength training. It's a lot, but it's worth it. Click the Schedule a Weight Management or Men's Hormone Health Schedule an Appointment button on my website at www.heliostelemedicine.com to see me if you live in Texas, New York, Florida, or Missouri and need help with weight loss or a men's hormone issue. Everyone is invited to see my prior videos and blog posts on my website or at www.youtube.com/@HeliosTelemedicine or www.instagram.com/HeliosTelemedicine. Thanks for your time and attention. Bye for now.